Guys, it's Cameron here. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'm going to be making a new series, Building in the Nether Portal. So let's do this. So here we go, let's start. And already we have 2 steak, which we don't really need. So let's get some, firstly let's get a bed and then we'll go to sleep. Because it looks like it's kind of dark in the Nether. Don't mind the background noise. So let's get a bed. Where's the bed gone in Minecraft? Oh my god, I actually don't even know where the beds are. So let's go to. Whoa! What the hell? Right, I don't like this. Right, let's just begin our house. So the house that we're going to build in here is going to be made out of chiseled stone bricks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to build like a barrier. Well, this is going to be a barrier for the. This is going to be a barrier. Be a barrier for. Be a barrier for the Nether portal. So yeah, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. But that's not going to be it there. So let's carry on the build. So there we go. There's a barrier done, and I'll see you guys in the next video, because the next video is going to be making a globe in Minecraft. Peace out.